Multiple teeth, again, a situation that happens very frequently. That's something that we see every day. So multiple teeth, what we end up doing, when we place a mini implant, we typically place the implant for every root. So if you're missing 2 premolars on top, we're going to probably place 2 to 3 implants. If you're missing a molar, 2 molars on the bottom, we're going to place 4, 2 for each root. And we're going to splint those crowns. Splinting those crowns is going to give it more stability, and you're going to enjoy how you're going to chew thereafter. So the point is that a very challenging fix? No, it's a very easy fix. So if you are missing multiple teeth and you do want someone to have to talk to and you want to come down, give us a call and we will give a free consult and a CT for you, and let's find out your options.